Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. The death toll in the fire incident that took place at a Corona care facility in Vijayawada on Sunday morning has increased to 10. In a major push to boost Atmanirbhar Bharat, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Sunday introduced import embargo on 101 items beyond given timeline to boost indigenization of defence production. The Ministry of Defence is now ready for a big push to Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. MOD will introduce import embargo on 101 items beyond given timeline to boost indigenization of defence production, Mr. Singh said in a series of tweets. He said Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given a clarion call for a self-reliant India based on the five-pillar economy, infrastructure, system, demography and demand, and announced a special economic package for self-reliant India named Atmanirbhar Bharat. Asserting that the government's agri reforms are focused on empowering small farmers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday launched a financing facility of Rs 1 lakh crore under the Agri Infra Fund that will help create post-harvest infrastructure in villages and generate jobs. He also said that the country does not face problems in farm production but in post-harvest losses, and therefore efforts are being made to strengthen post-harvest infrastructure facilities and ensure better income for farmers. Modi launched the fund through a video conference on auspicious occasion of Balram Jayanti, a day when farmers worship Lo. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar and farmers from some states also participated in the video conference. On this auspicious occasion, a special fund of Rs 1 lakh crore has been launched to create agriculture-related infrastructure facilities in the country. Mahinda Rajapaksa, leader of Sri Lanka Podujana Peramunu, took oath as the new Prime Minister of Sri Lanka at a historic Buddhist temple on Sunday. This is the fourth time Mahinda Rajapaksa secured the prime ministerial portfolio. He was sworn in before President and his younger brother Gotabaya Rajapaksa this morning at the sacred site of Kelaniya Raja Maha Viharya, Sri Lankan media reported. That is all for the today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.